Hey mother truckers, welcome to Affiliate Facts, the no BS source for affiliate marketing and learning how to make a decent income online as a blogger. Alright, so you want to know how to make money with Amazon Associates. Well, I've got some bad news for you. Wait, hold that thought for a sec. What is Amazon Associates? Briefly speaking, Amazon Associates is Amazon.com's affiliate program. It works when you send visitors, also known as traffic, from your website or platform to Amazon. A visitor is tagged via a session cookie, and if they buy, then you get a commission for the sale. Amazon Associates is a standard referral partner marketing agreement and reportedly is the largest of its kind. There are 3 ways I know of to make money with Amazon Associates. 1 that I've done, 2 that I've seen. Method number 1, SEO. This is probably one of Amazon's most prolific traffic channels. SEO, short for search engine optimization, is the art of driving organic Google traffic through content. SEO has a maturation period of around at least 12 months. Even if you know what you are doing with organic traffic, the motivation decay associated with SEO can destroy the will of most men. If it works though, the return on ad spend will be almost 0, which is incredible. SEO can be wildly profitable, but it's going to take the patience of a grasshopper on Quaaludes. Method number 2, paid traffic. Paid traffic is a reformed SEO guy with ADHD who said, "F it, I'm gonna buy my sweet ass in and pay for the traffic." Simply get yourself a site. Focus more on conversions than 2,000 words of long form copy no one will torture themselves to read. Fire up that Bing or Google Ads account and wham, instant search traffic. I've seen this done on review sites. The catch here is media costs. Whether they are paying for clicks via search or buying native ads, it doesn't matter. That ish is expensive as hell, my dude. Amazon Associates commissions ain't gonna pay for that no matter how hard they drive. Trust me, more on that later. So what do the paid media buyers do? They stack their offers? Yeah dog, they stack them high with CPA affiliate offers from networks that'll pay 50% or high dollar amounts, say $80 cost per sale. Next, they'll put the highest commission payout offers in position 1 through 3. Then, for position 4 through 10, they'll put the piece of trash offers from Amazon Associates in those slots. After all, why waste a potential sale if you've paid for the click anyway, right? Right. Method number 3, social media. SEO nerds sometimes lose sight of the power of social media, be it paid or organic, but my God, social is a pulsating beast to be reckoned with. Millions to be made here. And it's fast. Traditional monetization methods are dropping the quote-unquote link in description for YouTubers. Same goes for your favorite thick IG model, except they use Linktree. I stumbled upon something really interesting recently. Guys were publishing viral photos and videos of celebs on Facebook, like pics of Kanye West wearing those silly pro wrestling boots he has or whatever. Next to the caption was a bit.ly embedded Amazon Associates link to Amazon's website. Brilliant. Anyone who clicks the link gets cookied. Haha. Not sure if this is in compliance with Amazon's acceptable use policy though. There's also paid social ads, but I haven't figured out how to make that work. And considering Amazon's wicked low payout structure, they'd be last on my list to run with. During the intro of this video, I mentioned I had bad news. I want you to listen to me very carefully. I haven't done a ton of Amazon Associates affiliate marketing for one reason. It absolutely sucks, guys. I mean, sucks, big time. Bold statement about a behemoth like Amazon, I know, but allow me to back up my claim. Amazon has routinely lowered its commission structure so low that you're looking to earn maybe 2 to 4%, 2 to 4 cents on every dollar earned. Guys, that's nothing. Absolutely nothing. F that. Do you realize the amount of traffic it's going to take to earn a decent income from Amazon Associates? Heaps, brah, heaps. So, while I don't recommend Amazon Associates at all and would rather you allocate your traffic to a merchant that actually respects you. In addition, we will chop it up as to why Amazon Associates became so popular on YouTube, viable affiliate network alternatives, and strategies you can employ to reroute your traffic if you are currently an Amazon Associates publisher right now. First, a little backstory. These days I primarily do SEO for my traffic source. Yeah, I'm one of those guys. A few years ago I had an exact match domain, pushing blue eye drops. I made an easy as hell $600 a month income from it. I thought, wow, this is cool. Sit back, churn out more domains with the product name in them, and collect checks while I get fat in the ass, right? That was until I did the math. As they say, the devil is in the details. Or in my case, lost revenue. I knew I was making 5% on my traffic to Amazon Associates at the time, but damn, it hurt like a mug when I realized the margins I was losing when I uncovered what the eye drops cost wholesale. If I was able to source this crap, I could have 6x my gross revenue overnight with a Shopify store. Okay, I know, not everyone wants to get into e-com, do customer service, handle fulfillment, or do merchant processing. My point is, you work hard for your traffic. You invest time and money into your sites and even more into your continuing education. Where you send your final work product, my guy, make it count. Anyway, the happy medium that exists between going full-blown e-commerce and back-alley trailer trash affiliate networks known as Amazon Associates are better affiliate networks that don't throw their weight around. Let's talk about those sources now. Commission Junction is an uber-popular Amazon Associate alternative. Note, Amazon is a merchant, meaning they represent themselves. They are unique that way. Most businesses on that side of the coin in the affiliate marketing industry represent other merchants. Commission Junction is such a middleman. They represent hundreds of e-commerce stores vying for your traffic. The stores provide CJ with a commission structure. CJ gives you one number. CJ keeps the skim. Basic arbitrage is how the business model works. So, they work on heavy volume and low margins. I know because I used to work for an affiliate network. Up next is Share a Sale. I really like these guys. They don't have as big of a merchant network, but it's still quite obese. Street commissions, their starter percentages, are very fair, and better than CJ in my opinion. Share a Sale's merchants usually have an in-house affiliate manager on hand to help you with creatives and other basics. This is crucial if you start moving weight. Pro tip, your affiliate manager is basically your plug. Get to know them, make pals, and invest time in them, especially as you climb the leaderboard. When the time is right, ask for a bump. A bump is a private increase in commissions. This is something most of you will never receive from Amazon Associates. Transitioning away from networks is direct merchants. Yes, working directly with e-commerce stores. Let's say you have a site that's pushing couches. You can do an outreach campaign to contact 50 of the top-ranked e-commerce sites moving couches online. In your outreach email, let them know about your traffic statistics with backed-up proof by way of screenshots, sales figures from Amazon, and all the details of what you are able to push. I've heard of other guys snagging deals upwards of 40% rev share. That's awesome. How else can you make money with Amazon Associates? Well, look, I don't mean to dog Amazon in the mouth. Plenty of people make money with them. Some make a ton. But my main gripe is there are just so many better ways to make money besides using their program. Most of the viewing populace on YouTube are beginners to affiliate marketing. That's cool. Point is, whatever network you decide to push your traffic to, you must get educated on how to generate traffic first. Don't even worry about Amazon Associates if you don't have the traffic yet. Like I always say, get the traffic first and let that settle all your problems. To get educated, grab yourself a course. I hate that it comes down to having to buy effing courses, but that's just how it is. I've spent so many thousands of dollars on courses and consulting, it makes me sick to think about it. Here we are though. For SEO, I recommend Matt Diggity's Affiliate Lab. For paid traffic, I recommend Joey Babb's Powerhouse Affiliate. Marcus from the Affiliate Marketing Dude YouTube channel has an affordable beginner's course too. I really like how he tries to teach us how to think more like a marketer than a person generating traffic. Marcus is definitely an OG. I enjoy watching him and recommend his stuff. If anyone has recommendations for a good social media marketing course, leave it in the comments below so I can check it out. Lastly, I want you to know that I'm rooting for you. For most of you, I've been in your shoes. The sad truth is most will consume content about affiliate marketing but not take action. For those who do follow through, 99% will fail. I don't want this to happen to my tribe of subscribers. Let's make sure you belong in the 1%. If I could leave you with any advice in my first video here on YouTube it's this. Never, ever give up. Consistency is so powerful, guys. Did you know it took me over a year to get my first SEO site to make a profit? And it took $25,000 of testing to find the right formula in Facebook ads? 6 months, a year from now, 2 years? Whatever it takes, I want to hear about your success and watch your YouTube channel, seeing you flex about your earnings. As my mentor Gabe once told me, progress over perfection. Good luck and thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this vid, please like and sub to this mug.